I'm here with another layout, which the background is Heidi Swap Art Walk Sea to Sky. And my neck's hurt. I got such tension headache. Couldn't sleep. And so I tried to get up without waking my husband, but of course, where are you going? So early. Like, I'm sorry. So behind the phone, I have all these little bits and pieces and scraps and whatnot. So I want to so I wanted to you get those used so they don't accumulate. And then I'm going to use some strips under the picture, and it's going to give my picture that base to sit on. And those are all scraps. They're from past tip kits. And of course that tag and the other die cuts are going to be, oh, I guess it's going to go above my picture. I was thinking it went below my picture, but I guess not. But either way, it gives a place for my picture to lay. And that's a branding strip, as you can see. And I'm going to put this next to my picture. And then the rest of the die cuts. Which I went ahead and I pre-planned this and knew what I was doing. So this one goes together quite quickly, only because, of course, the cats were there. So I decided not to go ahead and film me the whole entire process, the cutting of the papers and whatnot, since, of course, Theo was there. So, anyway, and the title that I use is the die cuts, and then this is the Nouveau crystal drops that came in the kit, and then that is it. And then super fun is Puffy's sticker is Pink Fresh Studio noteworthy as well. And so there's the photos, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.